For our project, we were asked to create a wheelchair attachment for soccer for a physical therapist at a local high school. Designs previously used by the school were not suitable for all wheelchair types, were too expensive, and were not made of a strong enough material. With a $300 budget, our goal is to create a design that fits universally to all wheelchairs, can be easily removed and attached, and can be used on both power and manual wheelchairs.
Hello, I'm Simon, and today we're going to go around my group, Mad City Wheels, to learn about our Intro to Engineering 170 design project. Who am I here with today?
I'm Andrew McLaughlin, a team member for Mad City Wheels.
And Andrew, how do we start off our design process?
Well, the first thing we did was each of us were tasked with coming up with ideas, brainstorming to what our design was supposed to be. And with that, we came together, we started collaborating and picked the best of all our ideas.
And what were the three designs that we came up with?
Well, the first one we had was a strap that was attached to foam with wire backing. The second was a clamp that would adjust to any width of a hard point of a wheelchair. And the third was an adjustable hinge that could attach to any length of wheelchair.
Very interesting. And what was the final design that we came together and decided that's what we're going to pursue?
Well, the final design we decided to pursue was the one with the adjustable hinge. We felt like with our client emphasizing adjustability and accessibility that this one most met her needs.
Who am I here with today?
I'm Gavin. I'm the procurement point of contact.
And Gavin, once we came up with our final design, how did we start the fabrication process?
So to start the fabrication process, we started 3D printing the hinges and the attachment, and then we went to the frame and we started building the frame.
What's your name and occupation?
I'm Xavier Snyder, and I am the head tester.
Interesting. As head tester, what was one of the first tests we did once we finished our first prototype?
It's a good question, Simon. We kicked it really hard.
Yes.
Oh my god!
And what was another test we did with our first prototype?
Well, we wanted to test the attachment points by turning it.
And how did that go?
Yeah. Some light maneuvering.
So it seemed that testing the attachment points did not go smoothly.
No.
After we finished our first round of testing, what were some things we changed for the final product?
Well, one of the first things we noticed was it was kind of hard to see the ball when we were doing it, so we made the frame shorter. We moved it from 20 inches to 12 inches. And then also the clamp design we had didn't really work at all. So we completely changed that, and we went to a V-shaped attachment that had a strap on it that could strap around the poles of the wheelchair. And then we also noticed that the frame wasn't quite strong enough, so we added a PVC-like frame that made everything stronger.
So once we had our final design built, what was one problem we came across?
Well, it broke.
And how do we solve that problem?
We reprinted the hinges and made the bolts symmetrical. And that fixed it.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Our final product. Fully attached to this wheelchair by these wonderful straps with these adjustable hinges. The guard, expertly made with a strong PVC frame and a plastic exterior. We'd love to give you a try. The wheelchair is able to fully deflect passes like so. We can even dribble with the guard. Just like this. Before we leave you today, on behalf of Mad City Wheels, we would like to extend multiple thank yous to our wonderful professor, Dr. Puccinelli, our student assistants, Olivia and Ryan, the rest of the Makerspace staff for their wonderful assistance, and our amazing client, Ariane, for all of her wonderful work with us this semester. And then you